Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove the ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. After reading and following the warning from the installation instructions, plug the ice maker power supply cord into the grounded 3-prong outlet. Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install the ice maker. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. After heeding the warning from the installation instructions, slide the ice maker into its final location, making sure to position the ice maker for drainage appropriate to the drain connection installation. After the ice maker is in place, check the top and front for levelness. The final steps in the installation process are to first check that all parts are now installed. If there is an extra part, go back to the steps and see what was skipped. Next, check that you have all of your tools. Dispose of all packaging materials, and finally, make sure to clean up the work area. Congratulations! You have successfully finished the course on installing an ice maker.